So it does looks like it's finally over for Bitcoin. Yes guys, it's very sad to say, but the price in a weekly time frame has broken some key line of support and also is forming this Wyckoff distribution schematic 2, which right now is clearly indicating a reversal for the upcoming months and even year. Yes, you heard that right, because if you look at this distribution schematic from Wyckoff, I was actually warning you guys, we could be in this phase E. If you have been following me for a while, you guys know I was showing you this chart also indicating that in the phase E there could be some relief rally type of scenario, but at the end the price usually continues towards this original direction, and in our case the original trend direction was clearly here to the downside. And now where is the trend of Bitcoin possibly heading? I am going to show you many different scenarios and also show you the price has came exactly at the target area from the CPL line. We are going to talk about that, and also you can see we are going to talk about when could the market be bottoming. So before I start talking about these scenarios guys, please, if you appreciate this kind of emergency update, then do destroy the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now talking about this Wyckoff distribution schematic 2, according to this Wyckoff, as you can see the price right now is in this phase E, and in phase E after some range bound, after some relief rally, at the end the price continues towards this original direction, and in our case the original direction, as you can see, is still heading here to the downward direction, because this here is lower highs lower lows continuation pattern. But inside this distribution schematic phase E, we were also forming this descending triangle. Descending triangle is considered as a bearish scenario. This turned out to be a perfect fake out, and at the end the price did started with this corrective movement, because if you have been following me for a while guys, you know I showed you here in the past price action the price during a downtrend, whenever we have formed this descending triangle, what has happened after losing the support, we have started with this free fall type of movement before price consolidated for months and also starting this actual relief rally or Markov phase type of scenario. So in our case this was exactly what was unfolding. I mean the price was also forming this descending triangle, we lost the support from this lower line, and now this is a clear trend continuation here to the downward direction. So in the past price action from this top 2017 till 2018, the price of Bitcoin retraced almost like around 84%. If you go back and look at this from 2013 till 2015, the price of Bitcoin retraced almost like around 84.2%. And now from this top till the bottom line, from this top till the bottom line, the price of Bitcoin has retraced only 77%. So in the past price action, before we had an actual rally, actual Markov phase, the price of Bitcoin has retraced up to 83, 84, 85%. So if this is going to be another 82, 83 retracement, then you can see the price of Bitcoin could be approaching towards our personal target between 10 to 12,000 before finding an actual bottom. And beside this guys, beside this, even if we look at this one example here, while everyone was calling this an accumulation phase, I was warning you guys, this could not be accumulation phase, because we talked about Wyckoff schematic distribution schematic 2, which was clearly indicating the market is not ready for this Markov phase, and this could be a fake out. And now if you look at this example, if you look at the chart, this has turned out into a fake out, because I showed you for an actual Markov phase, right? For an actual Markov phase, first we need a proper accumulation phase, and then a new Markov phase could be expected. Now what I'm trying to say you here is that even after this retracement, what we are witnessing right now in price action Bitcoin, the market might not have bottomed yet. Why? Because if we look at this example here, according to this ATR normalized and Williams percentage error, we are aware, we have seen in the past price action, whenever the ATR normalized and Williams percentage error provides us exact number, that usually indicates the market might have bottomed and we could be soon starting with this actual Markov phase type of scenario. And it did. I mean, if you simply, right, if you simply follow these vertical green lines and also look at the price action of Bitcoin, whenever we had this green line appearing in this ATR normalized Williams percentage error, it has indicated the market might have bottomed around that area, and we could be starting with this mark of phase here. When we had this vertical green line, it indicated us the market might have bottomed, and after that you can see we had this massive rally here to the upside. Price started with this corrective movement, and when the price had this bigger drop and price also approached around this 3,400 to 3,800 range, it indicated us around that area the market might have bottomed. After some consolidation, what happened? We started with this mark of phase like this, another retracement, and when this indicator flashed as a buy signal, because this vertical green line only appears when the market has bottom or when the 80 normalized and Williams percentage here is giving us an exact value. It happened here in 2020 after this black swan event, and after that we had some very nice impulsive movement in price action of Bitcoin. Even here from 2021, guys, when the price of Bitcoin reached this 65,000 range, after some consolidation we had this retracement. But when we had this bigger retracement, you can see this indicator flashed us that around the price range of 31,000 we have bottom, and we could be soon starting with this new mark of phase. What happened after some consolidation range bound? We did started with this new mark of phase and also made a new all-time high, and since then the price of Bitcoin is clearly heading here to the downside. So this 80 normalized Williams percentage AR indicator is still very quiet. When does this indicator confirm the bottom? When this 80 normalized appears properly above plus 95, and at the same time this Williams percentage AR around minus 95, plus 95, minus 95. If that is going to happen, then we will see another vertical line appearing here like this. I mean, when that exact value appears, then we will be seeing another vertical line appearing here in our chart. So if you are following me, do not worry, guys, because if that is going to happen, then you are going to be the first one to know about it. And now, should we prepare for another corrective movement even after this 25-26% drop in a single week? Let's find that out. So just a friendly reminder, guys, if you haven't destroyed that like button, if you haven't commented yet, then please do it right now, because a single like and a comment is definitely going to boost the algorithm of the channel and also boost the motivation for me to create content like this. So if you look at this in a monthly time frame, yesterday I showed you guys, according to this 2B reversal pattern, since the price was hovering between this 18 to 19,000, I was very clear. Now, since we have broken this key line of support which we had around 19 to 20,000, the next area of confluence is going to be looked as our potential target area. And if this is going to happen, then we could be getting gravitated around this next area of confluence between 10 to 12,000 range. Yes, guys, this 10 to 12,000 is where we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to approach in the upcoming weeks, month, even until the next year. So this is still going to remain as our target, and we are also expecting after reaching around this target area, the price of Bitcoin will start with this actual accumulation phase and a new marker phase after that. Because we know, guys, we know if you simply look at this dead cat bounce here in a daily time frame, this dead cat bounce is also clearly indicating the price, after showing this 50% retracement, has finally started showing this corrective movement, just like as shown in example, because we know we are finding ourselves around this 0.4 area, and 0.4 is where the price usually continue towards this original trend, and we have been very clear about this. This trend here is showing more of a range one, but at the end it's still following this original trend, which is heading here to the downward direction. So what I'm trying to show you with this dead cat bounce is that price could show relief rally range bound type of movement, but we could be slowly forming this lower highs lower lows continuation pattern type of scenario and clearly head here to the downside before finding an actual bottom and also ending this dead cat bounce scenario. But now let me talk about this very interesting indicator, a leading indicator known as central pivot range. So yesterday we talked about this CPI indicator, a leading indicator which was giving us information beforehand, and we found out that according to the CPI indicator, since the price broke the first monthly target, the support line which was around 18,700, the next target I showed you very clearly was around 17,000, and also the worst case target was around 15,800 for this November month. And you can see where is the price of Bitcoin right now. The price of Bitcoin is right now exactly, guys, exactly at our target from this monthly S3 line. Why and how did we know that? Because this is a CPR indicator, and CPR indicator is a leading indicator, provides us with information beforehand. And now if you look at this example here, right, when the price of Bitcoin was around 21,000, if you simply look at the formation after that, what happened here in price action, this target S1 line, S2 line, S3 line was already placed because this is a leading indicator. And when the price of Bitcoin failed to reach the first target, it clearly indicated a weakness, even broke the support from this CPR lines, and then you can see what happened. It got approached exactly, guys, exactly at this monthly S3 line, which was around 15,800, and now this is exactly where we are holding our support. So for the medium short term, I think this around 15,800 is a very strong support, and I am actually expecting the price to show further range bound and even a really friendly type of scenario towards this monthly S2 line for now. So this S2 line could be the next possible target for Bitcoin, and this S3 line around 15,800 to be one of the strongest support line which we have right now. So let's hope that this S3 line for now around 15,800 holds the price. But if you do see any quick dip, then 14,000, right, this would be the worst case target, but the price after that could start with this relief rally before again continuing our downtrend like this, I mean for the month of December. So these are some of the quick update which I wanted to share with you into this video. So if you enjoyed this kind of work, then please destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.